What are rich pins? How to set them up and why you need them. Want your Pinterest content to stand out and stay updated automatically? Rich pins are the answer. In this video, we'll break down what rich pins are, how to set them up, and why they're a game changer for bloggers, creators, and businesses. What are rich pins? Rich pins pull real-time info from your website and display it on your pins. They auto-sync details like headlines, prices, and recipes, keeping everything accurate without manual edits. It's like giving your pins a built-in upgrade. The 4 types of rich pins. There are 4 types of rich pins. Article pins, great for bloggers, with titles, author names, and descriptions. Product pins, show real-time price and stock info, perfect for online shops. Recipe pins, feature ingredients, cook time, and serving size, ideal for food content. App pins, enable direct app downloads from the iOS App Store. What you need: structured data. To use rich pins, your website needs structured data, either Open Graph, OG, or Schema.org format. If you're using WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math can handle this for you automatically. Shopify and Squarespace often have built-in support too. Validate and apply. Next, head to the Pinterest Rich Pin Validator. Paste a URL from your website, any blog post, product page, or recipe. If Pinterest detects the data, click Apply. Approval usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. How rich pins improve engagement. Once approved, all pins linked to your site become rich pins, adding more info, more value, and more reason to click. Hey, build trust and improve performance with real-time updates. Rich pins and Pinterest SEO. Rich pins help your SEO on Pinterest and beyond. Because they pull structured data, Pinterest sees them as more relevant. That means better search visibility and higher ranking in feeds. Best practices for rich pins. To get the most from rich pins, follow these tips. Use keyword-rich titles and descriptions on your site. Include high-quality branded images. Make sure your metadata is clean and well-formatted. Maintaining rich pins. Updated your theme? Switched plugins? Changed your site layout? Revalidate your rich pins. Pinterest might not detect changes instantly, so refreshing metadata helps keep things accurate. Rich pins are more than just extra info. They're a content upgrade. They keep your Pinterest presence sharp, searchable, and synced with your website. Take 10 minutes today and get them set up. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more Pinterest growth tips and let me know in the comments. Have you set up rich pins yet?